No, Mr. Basner, it's the size 4 over there.
Max. The name is Max. If you don't buy anything, it's Mr. Basler. Size 4.
It's the blue and white one with the little sailboat on it. Are you all right, Max?
Now, look at this. What kid wouldn't wear that lives in Chicago?
Max, Rough and Tough did that 6 months ago.
Yeah, but they don't have the colors. I have the colors.
Girl.
Thanks, Leonard. I understand. Maybe you'll take something from the summer line. Thanks again, Leonard. Thanks for nothing.
So how did it happen?
You don't need to know how it happened. I'm your father. I'm the one you kept waiting 2 hours. Let's go home. Maybe you're wondering Mother's back by now.
I wouldn't know about that.
What are you talking about?
Well, I
What are you talking about?
Well, she didn't say anything.
Well, what did she say?
She found these cufflinks of yours and her stuff, and she asked me to return them.
So she's not coming back. Who the hell needs her? Come on, get in the car.
Attention sports club members, the new schedule for karate, tai chi, and jazzercise classes is now posted on the activity board.
David, guess what? I got a job.
You never had a job, Mom. What are you qualified to do?
I'm answering phones at an insurance company, and I'm brushing up on my office skills, and it's wonderful, David. People talk to me, and I get paid.
You want me to send you to a typing class?
No, Jane is helping me brush up.
Good.
David, it's wonderful to have a son whose secretary cares about you.
Isn't it about time for that yoga class I paid for?
David?
Charlie.
Does it work in the pool?
I gave up swimming. I hear you're spending the weekend at Woolridge's farm, and we might have a shot. Say yes?
Yes. Yeah, I'm reading up about horse breeding, some guy named Tessio, and ask me about ducks. Widgeons, canvasbacks, golden-eyed whistlers, Donalds, Daffies, all ducks, I know them.
All right, don't get too carried away with Donalds and Daffies, all right? Now, be calm. This is a very important account.
What account is it, David?
I'm sorry. Lorraine Basner, my mother, who works. This is Charlie Gargas, my boss, whom I work for.
How do you do? You didn't tell. This is your sister, not your mother.
He's an advertising, Mom. Never watch out.
Delighted. How do you do? Excuse me. All right, listen carefully now. 3 things. Use your humor. Speak specifically about the agency and what it stands for. All right? People, products, profit. And make sure we get an appointment to make a presentation.
That's why I'm going there.
Right? And is there a problem?
No, there's no problem.
I felt staring.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I'm between Tai Chi classes, excuse me.
That rug is the worst. Do you think he realizes it?
He does now. Have a nice yoga class, Mom.
Charlie! Enjoy your weekend, David.
Charlie, my mom was just saying how young you look. 35, she said.